Hi guys, and welcome back. There are a few testing tools you can use to test or hack operating systems, for example, from the comfort of your PC. One of which is called VirtualBox and the other is called VMware. Now, VirtualBox and VMware are virtualization software to run operating systems, for example, Windows 7, Windows 8, Linux, Ubuntu, and so on. There are lots of operating systems to choose from. I will show you in a second. Now, my favorite, and I will mention why shortly, is VirtualBox. It is very easy to use and can be easily downloaded from the VirtualBox website, which is https://www.virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. I will definitely put the link into the resources section, so no need for you to take any notes. I do use VirtualBox not to hack, but to test different browsers and operating systems for my client sites. Now, let me show you how to install and get this working. First thing we need to do in order to install VirtualBox is to go to the VirtualBox website. Once you're there, go to the download section located here on the left hand side and click the downloads. Now, depending on what operating system you've got, VirtualBox will cater for Solaris, Linux, Apple Mac and Windows. Mine is Windows, so I'm just going to click this link. I'm going to save it. Now, it is 105 meg, so it's going to take a while depending on your internet speed. Great, I'm just going to click that and then run, and I need to run that as an admin as well, because VirtualBox will change some of the settings on your computer. Therefore, you will need to run it as admin, and then click next. And yes, I do want the shortcuts, and click yes, install. Thinking about it. So do I want to allow the program to install software on my computer? And that's as the admin, so click yes. And I want to start the virtual machine or VirtualBox after the installation. Yes, I do want to do that. And I need to restart my machine. So I'm just going to say no for now, for the purpose of this demo. So now that I'm done, you're going to see here on the left hand side white space, and that's where all your virtual operating systems will be located. So the first thing I need to do now is to show you how to get a new virtual OS or operating system. So we need to click the new button and then just name your operating system. In this case, I'm just going to use Windows 7. You can choose any other Windows, for example, even as far back as Windows 3.1, Windows 95, 98, 2000, Windows 7, Windows Vista, so in my case it's going to be the Windows 7. I'm going to click next. As far as the memory size, I'm just going to leave it as I'm going to leave it at 512 meg. You can increase or decrease as you like. And I'm going to create the virtual hard drive now on my machine. So click the create. And as far as the hard drive file type, I'm just going to leave it as the virtual disk, VirtualBox disk image. This is what I'm going to be using, and click next. And it is dynamically allocated, so click next. And again, I can redo the location for the file, and I can rename it here as well if I want, but I'm just going to leave it as is. And then click the create button. Now it created the first tab for the Windows 7. Now if you right click, you've got a few options here. You can go to the settings, you can clone it, you can remove it, group it, you can start if you properly installed it, but we've not installed it yet, so we can't really do this section yet. So the first thing we need to do is click the settings button. Now you've got all the options again. You can go in to the general, you can rename it, you can change the operating system, change the version of it, whatever. But what is very important for me at this stage is the storage, guys. In order for you to utilize the virtual box, you need to have a Windows 7 image. Now if you don't have it, you're not going to be able to use it. Microsoft have given us the ability to download an image that works absolutely brilliantly with VirtualBox, and I'm going to show you how to get that now. So if I go to a new browser and then go to https://www.modern.ie/us/virtualization tools, you'll be able to come into this. And don't worry guys, I'm going to put this into the resources section for you. Now first thing, go and select your virtual machine. So what is it? Is it IE Internet Explorer 11 on Windows 10, Internet Explorer 11 on Windows 7, in IE 11 on Windows 8.1? On mine, I'm just going to choose, for example, a dated version, IE 8 on Windows 7, for example. Then I need to go to the second step, and then I need to, Virtual PC for Windows 7, VM, VirtualBox on Windows, and this is what I need. Sorry guys. And then now I need to go and download it. Please note that this is, once you click the download button, it is over 3.6 gig. So I'm just warning you now. So I've already downloaded this. So what I can do is go to the file, and this is the file here. And if I double click it, it's gonna show me this box. So now I can import IE 11 Windows 7, and it is Windows 7 32-bit, and the RAM is 512 and what have you. So if I click the import, and it's going to start importing my Windows 7 file here. Now again, because it's a massive file, it's going to take a while. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to fast forward this for you guys, so you don't have to stay and watch. Now once you install the image, we need to go to the settings and then storage, and make sure that this has been clicked, IE 10 or whatever image that you've chosen. Then click OK, and then now you can click the start button. What will happen? A new window is gonna appear. as you see here, starting Windows. So now we have a virtual machine running on our PC or laptop. Just gonna wait a little bit more, so just to show you how that looks like. Just exactly the same as your Windows 7 if you have one. There you go, guys. It took some time because it is running Windows for the first time. As usual, it takes some time to prepare for it. So VirtualBox Guest additional updates are available, so you can click that and you can go for it. Now I can enable my Wi-Fi as well here as normal, just like you're running your own Windows 7 at home or at the office. And that's how you install your VirtualBox. Just going back to why I like using VirtualBox as opposed to VMware. VirtualBox is much easier to install and manage than VMware. It is open source. It has an active and open development community, so you can ask as many questions and you will get a lot of answers back. It is backed by a large company. The company is called Oracle, so its reputation at stake. You get the complete VirtualBox for free, unlike VMware, which has got a premium price to pay. And personally, I found VirtualBox slightly faster than VMware.